see, these guys are cooling themselves in. Yeah, now. So, guys, just look at this nice spring here. We are making use of it by washing and doing laundry plus fetching water for drinking and cooking.
Let me wash.
So guys, this is the spring that we found.
Now, what I made for big one, I'm go big no. Now look it, I'm go big because nature. Looking every look unique.
Yes. When I'm outside here, you may have to find warana.
Yeah.
You may expect him rain warana come down here.
And you're right.
Like in a site here, him balau come na. Come spotting tilapia. Na if him big la busia tu, if him busia tu. Na all by sour say I'm big bus mi flowers was.
Yeah.
You can put him off. No, you can press him on him there. Okay then. Okay guys, we just found this spring right here in the forest. There is no water in this forest. Everywhere in this forest there's sinkholes. So it's making it difficult for us to come across any running water. So boys likely they found this spring here, and we put some palm leaf branches and we shape it up and we collect the water here. So I'm going to wash by using this soap bar.
Oh, you
So boys, they named this spring Twin Spring, and we have one spring running down there just about 3 meters, 3 or 5 meters down, and they just found this one. So we call it Twin Spring. So we just named this Twin Spring. So the other crews that will come to this site will use these springs to wash and wash their clothes, do laundry and like that. And it's a nice cold water here. Na you plug and kiss you play too na sila tayo.
Yeah, but mito waray met ko bibla ati.
You can put him off na can press him sila tayo too.
We was also turin ring. Lord, boost, wara. Now to Ben Almighty, oi. Or find it. Four. Medical to staff, you go as us. Yeah. You know all bag Lord boys staff no no. All boys will be preaching staff, and all boys mga was. So medic na. Koi tu sa banta. Black now. Lagi. Kami, kawan pelawara. Kami bisa bahan, kawan pelawara. Bios miet mi pani mau. Nam, bisa pelawara mi kawan pelawara misa.
Hey guys, good morning. I'm right here in the jungle and I'm gonna walk over to a spring there and do my laundry, wash my pair of socks and my clothes plus a face towel. So guys, I'm right here in the jungle with Seismic crew boys here in Kikori. So we are doing the seismic for Kumul Petroleum, which is the first of its kind for Kumul Petroleum to conduct seismic project here in Papua New Guinea. Yes, so guys, we have the spring right up there, and we also left a bucket here to collect water. Yeah guys, I'm here at the spring and I will do my laundry. Guys, I'm going to do this laundry here. Guys, I finished doing laundry here, so I'll pack my things and then going over to the elephant and dry them in the sun. So these are the clothes that I just washed on this spring here. This is right in the jungle, so this water source is very helpful to us as we work and sweat a lot. So this is where we wash ourselves and also fetch water to drink and wash ourselves here. And I'm doing just did my laundry and I'll be going over. Hey guys, there's a spider there, so I'll see how I will record that spider. It's here, so let's see. See, this is the spider here on the work. So this is the spider. It got yellow patterns. Guys, this is the spider here. Guys, our change operator just cut this deadlock here and fix the place for us to come and drink and wash here at the creek. So this is the spring that we are here drinking the water from the spring here. So guys, this is the place where we frequent here to drink and wash. And guys, this is the thick jungle here. So guys, this is the place where we frequent here to drink and wash. And guys, this is the thick jungle here.